ilailahon ang labing unang nakadaog sa Mr. Bohol nga baguhay lang ipahigayon sa silingan natong lalawigan. Hisgutan ta ang iyahang kasinatian sa maong pageant nga nagmalampuson taliwa ning pandemya. Ug sayran usab nato ang iyang advokasya. Busa, let's all welcome Mr. Bohol 2021, Arnel Cadusale. Maadjong buntag, Arnel, ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Maadjong buntag, Ma'am Cecil.
Wow, fresh from your victory, isip Mr. Bohol 2021. How do you feel, Arnel, about this milestone nga imuhang na-achieve?
Everyone knows that I work so hard for this. Like, I work so hard to be the first ever Mr. Bohol.
O karon nga, nagsugod na ka sa imuhang mga advokasya, unsa ang mga isyu o mga proyekto nga imuhang gustong tutukan?
I want to focus yun, ma'am, sa ako ang advocacy which I already started before being the first ever Mr. Bohol as an SK chairperson, as a teacher. I already started my advocacy on youth empowerment and focusing on education because as a licensed professional teacher, I want to focus this one. I want to be the voice sa mga kabatanunan that they should focus on education because it is a doorway to success.
Ug bisan pa man sa pandemya karon, nahinayon gayud ang Mr. Bohol competition. May you share with us, Arnel, unsa to ang mga challenges nga imong giagian during the competition?
Actually, I have two challenges nga akong nagian ani nga pageant. First was like to balance my time because we all know I am a licensed professional teacher practicing my profession. At the same time, I'm an SK chairperson in my municipality, in our barangay, in municipality of Trinidad. And I have this passion to be the first ever Mr. Bohol. And the main challenge for me was to balance the time. But since I have something to achieve, I need to focus on. And the second thing was indeed, ang pagpagamay din sa ako ang lawas barangay. I started 92 kilograms during the screening. Yeah, that was my weight. But since I want to prove to everyone that I can do this.
And gawa sa imuhang titulo, isip Mr. Bohol, usa ka magtutudlo og SK chairman as you mentioned earlier. Para kanimo, Arnel, how can your profession and your background help you sa imuhang mga responsibilities, isip Mr. Bohol?
Okay, actually ma'am, I am a firm, nituod ko nga ang essence, ang tinuod nga essence sa Mr. Bohol, no, is not just about the title nor the crown. It is about living the purpose why you are wearing that crown. I want to live the purpose why I have this crown in my head. And that is, I need to value education, to advocate education. And being a teacher as well as an SK chairperson, it will help me more to realize my responsibility as the first ever Mr. Bohol. Like through my profession, I can talk more young individuals. I can be an advocate. I can be a voice of them I want to tell the story of mine. How did I come? How did I overcome all the challenges in life? And that's one thing that I want to focus on.
To get to know more about you, Arnel, mag-fast talk ta this morning.
Okay.
First one, what was the nicest thing that someone told you?
That's personality, my personality.
So far, what is your greatest achievement?
Oh, to be the first ever Mr. Bohol.
And what makes you smile, Arnel?
What makes me smile is when I see my family happy.
Busa, thank you kayo, Arnel, for answering
Thank you,
our
thank
Fast
you.
Talk questions. Busa, before we end our conversation, please give your message of inspiration para sa tanan natong mga kapuso.
We all know that we are facing this pandemic and it has brought a lot of challenges in our life, but always remember, we may be tested by many challenges, but always remember whatever you have been through in life, whatever challenges you have met, no matter how big are these, always remember you are blessed.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bohol 2021. Arnel, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Cecil. Thank you so much.